Hello people, you are welcome back again to my channel, and this is a continuation of the video I made the last time. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to attach your elastic and your rope to your pants. Kindly watch to the end. If you want to get your band, my band width is 1.5 inches, so that's, we should note that. Then if you want to take the round waist measurement of this, it's about 48, but my actual round waist is 40. So if you just go through it like this, you will get 48. Okay, so you have to measure your actual round waist. So you can see this is 48. So I'm going to be cutting my waistband. I won't cut exactly 48. I'll cut like, say, maybe 50. So 1 inch for joining. Okay, 50 or 49. If I cut 49, then it will be ½ inch to join on both sides. But to be on the safe side, I'll cut like 50 or 51 because I'll be joining two fabrics together. So I'll cut like 51 or 52. But whatever it is, by the time I would be attaching it to the waist, it will be the same width. So this is my elastic band here. It's about 1 inch wide. It's about 1 inch wide. You can see it's about 1 inch wide, and I have 3 pieces which I'll be joining. So note, if you want to attach an elastic band to your pants, it has to be smaller than your waist. For example, my waist is 40, so my elastic band should be like maybe 34 because it's going to expand. It's going to expand. So first things first, I'm going to attach these 3 elastic bands together, and we'll attach it to become one. But if you have a single elastic band, then that will be fine. I'll also use my zigzag stitch. So let's set this aside. I'm working with waistband of 3 inches. That is when open up. Let me use this side. But I'm going to also make provision for extra space because this is 1 inch. So I'm working with 1.5. Okay. Then I'll add another ½ inch for joining. So I'll be cutting 2 inches. 2 inches, 1.5 for the elastic channel, then ½ inch for joining it to the pants, to the main body of the pants. So I'll hold this down like this. I'll hold this place down. I'll assume that's how the fabric is. I'm going to join this. Okay, I'll join it like that. Then I will leave, depending on how wide your rope will be, I'll leave the space for it. It's like, I'll just leave like maybe ½ an inch. This kind of size of rope is fine for me. So this is like ½ an inch. ½ an inch size of rope, like ½ an inch. So I'll just mark ½ an inch. Make sure your 2 pieces are together. I'll come down a little by ½ inch. Another ½ an inch. Good. Then this is the space for the elastic band, which is almost like, so that's it, guys. So that when you fold it, so when I want to stitch now, I'll stitch here ½ an inch away from this place. I will leave here opened because of the rope. Then I'll stitch here again, so you have a tiny opening. Then I'll close it. So after ironing it down, so this is 48. So this exact waist of my pants, but this is not my exact waist physically, but of my pants, this is it. Then I will determine the front. There's the front. This is the front. This is the front. Okay. So the next thing I'll go ahead to do is just to, like, this one is not compulsory. I just want to hold it down with pin. Guys, you may be wondering how I got here. So what I did was to join the 2 ends of the 2 pieces of fabric to form this. I then folded it into 2 on the right side. I gave it a good press. Don't forget that I had already created the rope channel. That's that 0.5 for the rope. And this is me just folding it like this, holding it with pins, and I'll be stitching all the way around. I'll be leaving about 1 to 2 inches where I'll be passing the elastic through. Hope you guys understand. This part of this video is not really compulsory. I was just trying to make straight lines all the way down, and I created two. So the middle will be like the channel for the rope. Hope you guys understand, because sometimes you could just be stitching and you think you are still sewing straight, but you would not know that it's already going bent. So that was why I created these lines. So like I said, the middle will be the part where you will connect the rope. The lower part is the front. So my own front part is the one that has this space. So I'll just place it on the center front with the two right sides facing like this. I'll use my pin to hold it down. Like this. Then the back. Make sure you take note. The joining at the back should also coincide with this part. You open this one up like this. If you don't do it, your waistband may not look balanced, so you have to get this part well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stitch to meet it. Okay, that's what I'm going to do now. So again, let me show you. This is how it looks after putting it looks shapeless, right? Because I've not put the elastic down. So you also, when I joined this, so this will go inside using my safety pin. Just pass it through this place that I opened. Just keep going. This is an interesting part I love doing. So I'm just going to, it's time to join these two. I'll just join it like this, or better still, you can just join it like this to avoid a node. I'll use zigzag stitch to stitch it down. So this is how it looks after stitching it. It's good to just use your hand to spread out the gathers made by the elastic. I covered that opening. I passed the elastic through. So you just stitch it down, and that's all for that. So guys, this is it. So remember, we left an opening here for rope. I don't have my rope yet, so I can just create rope from this. I'll put my safety pin on one end. So this is the hole. Okay, this looks good, guys, right? This looks nice. The total length of my, I was like, if time permits me, I'll hand the under. So the full length of my pants is 40, and I have like 43, so I will hem it. Guys, if you have watched this video to this point, you are the real MVP. So the hemming is not difficult at all. Just fold it just the way you see me do and stitch on it. I also want to take out this time to say a very big thank you for all the beautiful birthday messages. Honestly, you guys made my day. And if you look closely at that picture I posted on my community page, you will see that it was this pants and a kimono jacket that I wore. So I made this cloth for the purpose of my birthday. So what that means is that the next tutorial you'll be seeing is how I made the kimono jackets. So kindly stay tuned for that, and I hope you have learned something today from this video. please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do. Don't also forget to comment and share. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much, and bye.